a small star in a sleeping forest. Once upon a time, there was a small village under the beautiful sky with many stars shining. A girl named Lily lived in that village. Lily looked up at the sky every night and entrusted her dreams to the beautiful stars. One night, Lily found a particularly large and bright star. The star seemed to be calling Lily. Lily turned to the stars and said, "What's your name?" I asked. Then, something surprising happened. The stars sparkled and answered in a gentle voice. "My name is Nana. I am a star that protects people's dreams when they sleep." Lily was overjoyed and said, "Nana, I want to dream too," I said. Nana said with a smile, "Then let's go to the world of dreams together." Lily was enveloped in the light of the stars and flew into the sky. She crossed the clouds and slipped through the stars, as if she was swimming in the sky. There were dreaming animals and a fantastic landscape of gentle winds. Lily traveled around various dream worlds with Nana. Little fairies living in the flowers, fun friends sliding down the rainbow tunnel, and beautiful melodies to listen to at the star concert. In her dreams, Lily was always smiling. However, as the night deepened, Nana said to Lily, "But it's time to go home. Even in the real world, in order to keep having a wonderful dream, you have to sleep well." Lily felt a little lonely, but she nodded to Nana's words. "Can we meet again?" When I asked, Nana replied with a smile, "Look up at the night sky at any time. I'm there." Having said that, Nana gently returned Lily to the real world. Lily returned to her bed and closed her eyes with relief, knowing that Nana was watching. That night, Lily had a wonderful dream. Maybe it's because Nana is by my side. That's it.